So the first means of travel is roadways. Road are the most commonly used means of travel. So roads are the most commonly or most comfortable and easy means of travel which we use in our day-to-day activities. They are very important as they help people move from one place to the another using vehicle. So they are very important because with the help of roadways, we can move from one place to the another using our own vehicle. Buses, car, trucks, motorcycle and scooters are some vehicles which move on roads. So these are the vehicles which are used on the roads on a regular basis. The roads on which we travel differ according to the material used to make. So even the roads which we use in our day-to-day activities, they are different uh, according to what goods are being transferred or what materials are being transferred from one place to the other. There are two types of roads. So generally we can say that there are two types of roads. First is metal road and other is non-metal roads. Roads which are made of brick, cement, tar or concrete are called metal roads. So the roads which are made up of bricks, cement, tar and concrete are known as metal road. These are long lasting roads and can be used throughout the year even during rain. So metal road are very long lasting and we can use metal road throughout the year, especially in the rainy season also we can use the metal road easily. Next is non-metalled road are usually improper and they are just path of sand and mud. So non-metal roads are very improper. Just like you can see in this picture, this is non-metal road. They are improper and the paths are made up of sand or mud. The roads are difficult to travel on. They are unfit to use during rains as they tend to become slippery. So especially in the non-metal roads, in the rainy season it is very difficult to go through this road because it becomes slippery and people can fall or rather they can stuck over there. So non-metal roads are unfit to use on a daily basis and especially in the rainy season it is very difficult to travel. The most important roads in our countries are the national highways. So in our country, what are the important roads? They are national highways. They are a large network of roads which connect states and important cities. So what is the objective of a national highway? The objective of a national highway is it connects the different state and important cities through a single road. We also have state highways which connect cities and town within a state. So in the state also we have a state highways which connect different cities and town within a state. All state and national highways are assigned particular numbers. So there are a fixed number of national and state highways and national highways and they have given number according to the places which they are situated. It is very difficult to travel in mountain area. They make travel easy, tunnel are made. So in a mountain area it is very difficult to travel because there are many mountains and the roads are not straight. So in order to make the road very comfortable and easy, they make tunnels. Just like you can see metal road with a tunnel. So this is a tunnel. A tunnel is a passage which is usually built through a hill. So the tunnels are only made or only built through a hill or a mountain. A bridge is a structure which is built over a river or road. So a bridge is also made so that people can easily move from one place to the other through a river or a road easily. Just like here you can see it is a bridge and here is a river and here is a bridge. It helps people and vehicles to cross from one side to the another. So it helps the people to cross from one place to the other place easily. Roadways are an important means of travel because they connect the whole country. So roadways are considered as most important means of travel. Why? Because they connect the whole country and people can move easily. They help people move from one place to another with ease. They also help to transport goods to different parts of the country. So roadways not only help the people to move from one place to the another in a easy and a comfort manner, but also it helps in transporting different goods from one state to the another easily.